A recent study at survey ang mga scientists na ang mga lalaki daw, kalalakihan, na nag-workout, may disiplina sa pag-workout, yan, may six-pack, may abs, yan daw ay 72% na better at loyal na asawa. Tama kayo, mali ako, I'm not your doctor, do what works for you. I'm just sharing. Oh, interesting. Dito sa bahay namin, pag 100% talagang nag-workout si Kamer, talagang 1 billion trillion %. Mahal na mahal si Mrs. Sabrina Agus. What's cooking? Good looking? Si Mrs. Carlos's eggs and hot dogs and kebab and pussy. Ano to? Pussy. Pussy. Nik. Ayun lang, tama kayo. Wow. Be my B-A-B-E, baby. Can you be my lady? My one and only. Mag-rice ako.